Hi friends, we're going to practice some of the common sounds that we find when we're reading and writing. All right, take a deep breath before we get started. All right, we're going to start with the digraphs. I'm going to say them and then you can repeat. TH, thumb, CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. WH, whistle, w. CK, sock, k. PH, graph, f. All right, take another deep breath. We're going to practice our long vowels. Remember, the long vowels are the letters or the vowels that say their own name. All right, let's get started. A blank E, cake, A. I, train, A. Y, play, A. Tree, E. T, E. Blank Y, puppy, E. I blank E, bike, I. Blank Y, fly, I. Light, I. Tie, I. O blank E, phone, O. Boat, O. Snow, O. U blank E, cube, U. Chew, oo. Glue, oo. Moon, oo. All right, take another deep breath. We're going to practice the R-controlled vowels. AR, car, R. OR, horse, or. ER, hammer, IR, girl, UR, surf, All right, take another deep breath. We're going to practice our diphthongs now. AW, seesaw, aw. OU, cloud, ow. OI, coin, oi. OY, toy, oi. OW, cow, ow. OO, book, All right, take another deep breath. All right, we're going to just practice some common spelling sounds now. All right, we're going to start with an ending, blank ed. It could say id, d, t. Some examples would be wanted, called, helped. This is another ending, blank ing, like walking. It says the sound ing. Ng, ring, ing. TCH, watch, ch. Soft C, mice, s. GE or DGE, bridge, j. Great job. Keep practicing.